In this video, I'll show you how to add a child profile on your Amazon Firestick. First, from your Firestick home screen, go to Settings. Next, scroll and select Account and Profile Settings. Select Profile. Now choose Add Profile. Then select Create a new profile. At this point, turn on the option for Kids Profile. Now enter your child's name. In this example, the name is Anne. Select Next. After that, enter the child's date of birth. Select Next. And click Add. Wait for the profile setup to do its thing. Amazon will want to take your money by asking you to subscribe. I choose Not Now. You will then be asked to choose a PIN to protect the child from going to areas you don't want. But for this tutorial, I choose Not Now. At this stage, Amazon will load the child profile, and it will be added to your Fire TV stick. You will now be asked to choose your apps. Click and select apps your child may like. Choose your apps and click Done. That's it. Your child's profile is now created. Wait for it to load up. Your child can now use a safer and more controlled profile on your Amazon Fire TV. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials.